It's 12 o'clock and the azan, or call to prayer, urges Muslims to come to the mosque to pray. And today is very special. It's the first day of the month of Ramadan, when Muslims abstain from eating and drinking during daylight hours.
We have to pray before the sun rises in the morning. And before we do that, we have a meal during the month of Ramadan, and we do our morning prayer. Then from then on, we can't eat, we can't drink, nothing enters the mouth until the sun sets in the night. But during the day, we come to the mosque very often. We read the Quran as often as we can.
Saida Chowdhury and her family are fasting, but in a few hours they'll sit down together for an evening meal. So she goes to a local supermarket to buy fresh halal food, meat and vegetables suitable for Muslims.
I'm buying food for tonight, and maybe, I will start cooking today and for tomorrow as well, because as you know, I work. And, because when the fast is open, my children cannot wait to eat.
It's almost 4 o'clock now, and Saida starts to cook the food that will break the fast. Her two children, Bada and Zara, have just come home from school, and they too are fasting. But soon they'll be able to eat and drink. Daylight is almost over.
It's really good because I have lots of Muslim friends who, they're fasting with me, and all my other friends are really supportive of it. But they don't think I can fast all 30 days, so I'm going to prove them wrong as well.
So the first of Ramadan has been completed, and tonight Muslims across the UK are urging people of all faiths to join a special day of fasting for charity. The organisers of Islam Awareness Week have called on people to spend all or part of tomorrow fasting in an effort to forge closer ties between Muslims and other communities.